whenever or however you want. I can do it.
Hi guys, long time no see. So in today's vlog, I just want to do a day in my life. I want to go to school to prepare for my finals, and I just decided to take you guys along with me. I didn't plan on filming today, but I guess we're here. The time is currently 5:42 p.m. School closes by 11, so if I can do whatever I want to do till 10 p.m, I think that's not bad. It's top from Shein, pants from Fashion Nova. It's like a two-piece set. So this one is also like the hoodie. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. And yes guys, I braided my hair myself. These are miracle knots. Actually my hair, but I just braided I just braided the curly pieces into my natural hair. So yeah, it's cute, it's lightweight, and yeah, I think I actually tried, though I'm yet to detangle the hair. Guys, I have a lot of things to do, guys. I have a lot of things to do. So before I start this video, I want to unbox two things. First of all, a microphone. This is actually from a friend of mine. It actually has two microphones. Two clip things. I don't know what they call it, but what you would use to clip it onto your clothes, or technically your clothes. It has this thing which you insert into your phone. I'm using an iPhone. It has this detachable USB something. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, this is for my phone. So it has like a tiny charger. So the next thing I'm going to unbox is this. Guys, you have a LED light. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy. It also came with a tiny charger. It's not really tiny, but and this mini tripod stand. It's so short, guys. I would have to get like a longer one in case I want to film like other videos. Hey guys, I'm actually so happy. I'm so grateful to God. Like we finally have a LED light. So this is what the light looks like, and it has different settings. So this is like how bright the light is. This 100% is how bright the light is. I don't know the meaning of this one, but they also have, this is the place for on and off. This one is for brightness. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is for brightness and this is for color. So in case you want it to be a little bit warm, this is warm, right? So in case you want it to be white, you like adjust it, and you can make it like soft or in the middle. Yeah. So if you don't want the light to be too bright, you can also reduce the lights. Like it depends on what you want. So I'm going to try it and tell you guys how long it lasts. Like because I've never like used it. So this is what it looks like. I'm so happy. So now you see I need like a longer tripod. I don't know. If I had that, I would just put the light over here. So guys, the scent of the day is strawberry pound cake and this perfume from Marc Jacobs. I actually got this as a birthday present. So I'm going to be using these two today. So as I've already gotten to school, I did not show you guys, like I did not give you guys an update because I was rushing like to catch my bus because I almost missed the bus. I still feel weird with this hair, but I don't know. So I already got to school and I'm just going to look for a very cute study spot. So guys, I just got to school now. I found this place was like a bit open. I don't know how comfortable it is going to be. I've never studied here, by the way. I don't know if I should try it or I should look for it, because I like classroom on my phone. I like studying in classrooms, like actual rooms. This is like a walkway, I mean a passage. Guys, this is what it looks like. So you guys understand what I'm saying? It's like open, and they have like a classroom here, like lecture theater. So I don't know if I'm just going to study or if I should just look for somewhere I'm going to be comfortable. I have few hours, like less than 3 hours to study, and I'll be going home. So I need to be quick. I think I'll look for another location. Yeah. So guys, I found one study spot last year, and I cannot remember the floor. I don't know if it's on the 5th floor. I don't know if it's built. I'm going to keep trying. Let me start from the 6th floor. I think that makes more sense. I'm going to start from the 6th floor. Why is this place so blue? Oh, so guys, let's hope I pray because I'm tired. I'm not too tired. I think it's here. Let me check. So guys, I already found it is on the 6th floor, and it's pretty big. It's like bigger than the usual one. Let me show you guys. Guys, this is what this one looks like, and you have like a whiteboard. So I'm going to get like a marker because it's going to be cute, like reading or like studying with the whiteboard. It's actually going to be so nice. So, and have this, just that, like it's stuffy. The room is very stuffy, so I don't know. I just leave the door open. So guys, it's already 9:51 and I'm so tired. I was able to cover up a few things. I'm so happy because guys, I've been stuck on one page for like 1 week now. I'm not joking, like one page for 1 week. So today I spent like almost an hour trying to understand the page, and now I understand it, and I read 1.5 page more. Yeah, so I have 2 pages left, then I'll be done with that chapter. So I might complete it at home. I actually want to, because I'll just love to finish a chapter in a day, because like I already summarized it, so it's easy. It's not like it's broad. Yeah, so right now I'm about to pack my things and head home. I'm craving a bad okra soup. I know that's so random, but that I might go home to prepare that. If not, I'll just eat something else. But I'm actually craving eba and okra soup. or powder. I don't know. But anyways, I want to pack my things and get out of this place. I would love to also do this tomorrow, but tomorrow I would like come to school earlier than this, and come to the same study spot because like it's so nice. It's actually so nice. It's I wonder how people can actually do that. Like start playing the keyboard in the midst of people. Like keyboard is just there, and they are able to like film. They are able to like sing without being shy or anything. That's actually so nice. Like so nice. Hey guys, I'm finally done studying and I'm on my way to the gym now. I just decided to come to the gym last minute. Not really last minute because I brought my clothes. I actually brought my gym clothes. And I'm just going to be spending probably 30. I plan on spending an hour, but it depends on how I feel. If I feel good, I'm just going to spend an hour. If not, I'm just going to spend 30 minutes. So yeah, that's my little updates, and I'll catch you guys. I'm going to change my clothes because I'm currently wearing this, and I just want to change into my gym clothes. So I'm going to see you guys when I get there. So I'm currently at the gym. I went to the changing room, and I went to change my clothes. And like the gym set is actually like a two-piece set, but I can't wear the shorts because it's actually short, and I'm not like used to it yet. So I'm just going to wear these black leggings over it, like yeah. Instead of wearing shorts, and I'm not going to be comfortable in the gym, which I don't want, because I always want to be comfortable. So now I just want to pack my hair, go leave. I'm so happy that I plan on coming to the gym without watching any motivational video or without someone forcing me. I just woke up and I plan to go to the gym. I'm about to leave the change room now and I'm going to head to the gym. Yeah, so the time is 9:04 and by 9:30ish I should be done. Actually, because what am I doing there? What am I doing there? But I already made research and I searched for the kind of things I can do, like the kind of exercises that I can do. And at least I have 3 in mind plus treadmill. So yeah, at least it's better than nothing. So I'm going to the gym and I'll see you guys when I go to the gym. Hopefully I film, because I'm always shy when I go to the gym. I don't want to film people. Like, it doesn't make sense. So I might film, I might not film, but if I don't film, I'll see you guys when I'm done. So yeah. workout session. I did not film, but I did. I used the treadmill for 22 minutes. Then I did goblet squats and plank. I did 7 minutes plank, but like different positions. I don't know how to explain this, but like it was a YouTube tutorial, so that's what I used.
So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go.